In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Loop. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or organizing your projects within Microsoft 365, Microsoft Loop offers a flexible workspace designed to enhance collaboration and productivity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to access Loop with confidence, ensuring you can make the most of its powerful features. Microsoft Loop, as many of you may already know, is a collaborative workspace app that's seamlessly integrated into the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It allows you to create and share what are called Loop pages. These pages are versatile canvases that can bring together various types of content, such as texts, links, tasks, and even data from different sources. What makes Loop truly unique is its ability to integrate with other Microsoft apps, enhancing your workflow efficiency. To get started with Microsoft Loop, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, the steps remain the same. In the search bar, type out Microsoft Loop and hit Enter. You will probably see a list of search results. Click on the official Microsoft website link for Microsoft Loop, which should be one of the top results. This will take you to the Loop homepage, setting the stage for the next steps in accessing your workspace. Once you're on the Loop homepage, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually situated prominently on the page, and click it. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, use your credentials to log in. If you don't, you may need to create an account first. This login step is crucial, as it links your Microsoft 365 account to all the Loop tools and features you're about to explore. During the sign-in process, you might be prompted to provide your password. In some cases, as an added security measure, you may receive a one-time password or OTP via email. Enter this OTP to continue. Once you're verified, you'll be directed to the Microsoft Loop dashboard. This is your base of operations, where all your projects and tools are easily accessible. On the Loop dashboard, direct your attention to the Workspaces option. Clicking here will reveal a list of your connected or created workspaces. Take a moment to navigate through these options and select the workspace you wish to work in. You'll notice that at the top left corner of the screen, there's a Loop icon. Beside it, you'll see the name of the currently opened page. This detail helps orient you within the application, providing a straightforward way to track your location as you work within Loop. There you have it. You've successfully opened Microsoft Loop and navigated through its initial setup. With these steps, you can now start unleashing the full potential of this collaborative tool, leveraging it to support all your projects and teamwork initiatives. Dive in, explore the features, and enjoy a more organized and productive workflow.